Okay, now it's already, I forgot, 23rd. And guys, I'm so excited because, yeah, so I'm just gonna try to add, wait a minute, a bit, I'm trying to take the smallest, you know, okay, that's enough. Blah. I hope this turns out good. If it doesn't turn out good, then oh my god, then I don't know what am I gonna do with it, because yeah, I think it's time to take it to the creek, but I'm not sure. Just read this real quick. I just, oh my god, it's almost fell out of the party, guys. Just look at this, guys. Don't mind my hair going on. But guys, I think the next episode, I'm gonna call it the episode, guys, but I don't know what to call it. The next episode I might put it in the speech after I like give me seconds for me. So, ooh, I like this so much. Ooh, yeah, yeah, it's coming together. Ooh, guys, this is what I need. Yeah, next episode, probably, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna take it to the speech or not. In a few minutes. But we don't know. So yeah. Guys, I'm so excited for Christmas. Like, even, why am I saying even? Even though it's only Christmas Eve tomorrow, I'm gonna act like it's Christmas, guys. I'm honestly gonna act like it's Christmas. I'm just gonna, like, I'm gonna actually act like it's normal day, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna, you know, on my YouTube account, it's gonna be a normal day. But like, you know, yes, how long till this is gonna be done? I've probably been doing this for an hour, not gonna lie. But oh, it's honestly getting thicker, and the more thicker